What's up? We are at a new course called Kingswood Golf Course. Hole 1 is a dogleg left. I just take a 5-iron off the tee. Second shot about 155 out. I'm just hitting a 9-iron pretty close here.
Sit. Sit.
Third shot about a 15-foot putt downhill. Just leave it a little bit short. Finish it up for par. Hole 2 is a 185-yard par 3. Put this one just on the front left here. Have about a 20-foot putt coming back up the hill. Just don't read it right. Breaks way off to the right. Still make my par. Hole 3 is another dogleg left, so I'm just hitting another 5-iron off the tee. Had about 110 out here. Put it pretty close. Looking at the birdie putt here. Fly it way past the hole. And we got to finish up par.